Air freshener manufacturers don't want you to know this. If you run out of this at home and you always throw away this container, you are literally wasting your money. Most people buy this item to perfume the house or use it as an insect repellent. And once the container runs out of liquid, they just throw away to buy another one. But you don't need to do that. I will show you how you can save money. You never need to buy another one of these. I'll teach you how to reuse this little container and actually make it even better. Because besides perfuming your house, it's also gonna get rid of mosquitoes once for all. The first thing you should do is remove the cap. It comes off pretty easy with the help of a tool. After that, let's wash it very well to remove any residue from the other product. And let's do the same with this part too. After washing very well, dry with the help of paper towels. Let it dry thoroughly. You can leave in the sun if you prefer. Now in a container, let's add 4 tablespoons of alcohol. The one I'm using is 46%, but feel free to use whatever you got at home. Next, add 2 tablespoons of water. And now we're gonna need cloves. This will be the ingredient responsible to repel insects. And this is due to some components present in cloves. So go ahead and add about a dozen of them. Finally, we're also gonna use fabric softener. And you can use your favorite brand here and also your favorite fragrance. If you don't have fabric softener, you can also use baby oil or any other scented essence. Add 2 tablespoons and then mix well. Now all you gotta do is transfer this mixture to the container. And then place it in any room in the house. But keep in mind that this mixture is quite potent, both for perfuming the environment and for repelling mosquitoes. So it's very worthwhile to make it, because besides saving your money, your house will smell great while you keep insects at bay. Whenever you run out of this liquid, just go ahead and make a little more of the mixture. Then you can vary the scent if you want, so you won't get sick of the same one. So don't hesitate to try it at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the result. So that was today's video. I really hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next one.